Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 4th of December, 2024, and we are here now to provide an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 19th of November, 2024, our system has rated Apple as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Over this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, showing a gain of 6.45% since we initially recommended purchasing Apple 11 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.59% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 suggests that our system anticipates significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we cannot predict the stock's next movement, as it could take either direction. The stock has broken through the weak rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger upward movement. Should there be any pullback, support will now be found at the ceiling of the current trend, previously broken at $241.87. This level may present a second opportunity for significant gains. According to fan theory, $258.07 is projected to be the next potential peak, which could serve as a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 4.74% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from a decline of 2.74% to an increase of 4.25%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 32.14% over the next year, with expected returns between 11.35% and 41.24%. This corresponds to a price range from $270.59 to $343.23 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple features the headline, "A Green Day on Wednesday for Apple stock after gaining 0.148%. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 4th of December, 2024, Apple stock experienced a gain of 0.148%, increasing from $242.65 to $243.01. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to observe whether this upward trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 1.18%, with a low of $241.25 and a high of $244.11. Over the past 10 days, the stock has risen in 8 of those days, with a total increase of 6.45% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a favorable technical indicator, with 4 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 39 million shares changed hands for approximately $9.45 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price at $244.11 and its lowest price at $164.08. Currently, the price is 0.45% or $1.10 below the 52-week high of $244.11, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc., or AAPL, is navigating a mix of challenges and opportunities that could influence its stock performance in both the short and long term. Recently, tech stocks, including AAPL, surged to new highs, buoyed by investor enthusiasm surrounding megacap players. This positive momentum in the tech sector could translate to increased buying pressure on AAPL shares, indicating strong investor confidence. Delays or difficulties in integrating these artificial intelligence features could adversely affect iPhone sales in China, a significant market for the company, which may weigh on stock performance in the near term. On the corporate front, speculation surrounding Luca Maestri, Apple's outgoing chief financial officer, potentially stepping into the chief executive officer role at Stellantis, has surfaced. Such leadership changes can create uncertainty among investors, but they could also lead to strategic partnerships or business adaptations that may benefit Apple in the long run. Additionally, the company's strategic use of Amazon's artificial intelligence chips signals a commitment to enhancing its technology infrastructure, which could drive growth across its services. Analysts remain optimistic, with a recent buy rating and a price target of $256, reflecting confidence in Apple's multi-year iPhone cycle and App Store dynamics as key growth drivers. As Apple navigates these developments, the interplay between external pressures and strategic growth initiatives will be critical in determining its stock trajectory in the months ahead. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 3rd of December, 2024, it was reported that Evercore ISI assigned Apple Inc. a grade of outperform with a recommendation to hold. On Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned Apple Inc. a grade of neutral with a recommendation to hold. On Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, it was reported that Jefferies assigned Apple Inc. a grade of hold with a recommendation to hold. On Friday, the 29th of November, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Apple Inc. a grade of outperform with a recommendation to hold. On Tuesday, the 19th of November, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Apple Inc. a grade of underweight with a recommendation to hold. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Apple stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Apple. Apple stock is showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock's performance. Additionally, a general buy signal arises from the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at $237.92 and $230.53. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 4th of November, 2024, and since then, the stock has appreciated by 9.46%. Further growth is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, the volume is increasing in tandem with the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. The stock experienced a golden star signal on Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, within the short-term chart. This golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line converge in a unique configuration. Such a combination is quite rare and often leads to prolonged and significant gains for the stock in question. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 22 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal from 14 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 11 days ago. The relationship between short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 7 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a buy signal from 12 days ago, The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 138 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple has established a support level at $232.87, which could present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. This stock typically experiences robust trading volume, and given the minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is deemed low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $2.85, representing a change of 1.18% between its high and low points. Additionally, in the past week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 1.35%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This is considered a relatively normal PE ratio and is often seen in companies with established track records or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 6th of February, 2025. Analysts are predicting consensus estimates at $2.36. It's essential to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you may want to enter a position and rely on volume to help you decide when to exit. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $232.87. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, allowing for an anticipated rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from various analyst sources remains neutral. Now, let us examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson executed an insider sale of 75,000 shares of common stock. On the 18th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson conducted another insider sale of 75,000 shares of common stock. On the 19th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson sold 50,000 shares of common stock. On the 18th of November, 2024, Chris Kondo executed an insider sale of 4,130 shares of common stock. On the 5th of November, 2024, Catherine L. Adams conducted an insider sale of 8,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 28.271. In total, insiders purchased 2,065,334 shares and sold 3,807,852 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $230.59, reflecting a decrease of 5.11%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, which contributes to a reduced risk profile. However, the 14-day relative strength index stands at 85, indicating a significantly increased risk. A buy signal has been identified from a pivot bottom established 21 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple exhibits several positive indicators. However, these alone do not warrant a recommendation for purchasing at this time. Currently, it is advisable to consider it a hold candidate, meaning either to maintain your existing shares or to accumulate more while we await further developments. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 5th of December, we anticipate that Apple will open lower by 22 cents and begin trading at $242.79. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.